Now, let's talk about corrosion. If you pop the hood and see a white, ashy substance on the battery terminals, that's corrosion. This buildup can interfere with the battery's ability to charge and discharge properly. Regularly cleaning the terminals can help maintain a good connection and prolong the life of your battery. You might also notice your car needing more frequent jump starts. If you're finding yourself reaching for those jumper cables more often than usual, it's a sign that your battery isn't holding a charge well. While one jump start after leaving the lights on is normal, repeatedly needing a jump start is a clear indication that something's up with your battery. Another symptom to be aware of is swelling or bloating of the battery case. If the battery case looks like it's bulging, it's a sign that the battery is overheating. This can be caused by excessive heat or overcharging. Either way, a swollen battery is a serious issue and needs to be replaced immediately. Let's not forget about the age of your battery. Even if you haven't noticed any symptoms, if your battery is more than 3 years old, it's a good idea to have it tested regularly. Batteries don't last forever, and their ability to hold a charge diminishes over time. Knowing the age of your battery can help you anticipate when it might need to be replaced. One more thing to consider is the weather. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can affect battery performance. In hot weather, the fluid inside the battery can evaporate, leading to a weakened charge. In cold weather, the battery's ability to provide power decreases. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures, keep an extra close eye on your battery. Here's a personal example. I once had a car that would occasionally refuse to start. Everything seemed fine otherwise, no dimming lights or slow cranking. It turned out the problem was a loose battery connection. Even though the battery itself was fine, the loose connection meant the power wasn't reliably getting to the starter. A quick tightening of the cables fixed the issue, but it took a while to diagnose because the symptoms were so intermittent. So, what can you do to prevent battery problems? Regular maintenance is key. Check your battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if necessary. Make sure the battery is securely fastened to prevent vibrations, which can cause damage over time. And, as mentioned before, if your battery is getting old, have it tested to see if it's still holding a charge. If you do find yourself with a dead battery, don't panic. Knowing how to jumpstart your car is a handy skill. Keep a set of jumper cables in your trunk, and if possible, invest in a portable jump starter. It can save you a lot of hassle, especially if you're in a situation where you can't rely on another car for a jump. Finally, if you're not sure about the health of your battery, many auto parts stores offer free battery testing. It's a quick and easy way to get peace of mind and ensure that your battery is in good shape. So there you have it, the lesser-known symptoms of car battery problems. Keep an eye out for slow cranking, dimming headlights, electrical issues, strange smells, corrosion, frequent jump starts, and any signs of swelling. By staying vigilant and performing regular maintenance, you can avoid the inconvenience of a dead battery and keep your car running smoothly. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms with your car battery? What happened, and how did you fix it? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for every driver to understand: car battery problems. Your car battery is like the heart of your vehicle. Without it, you're not going anywhere. But sometimes, the signs of a failing battery aren't as obvious as you might think. Let's explore some lesser-known symptoms of car battery problems so you can avoid getting stranded with a dead battery. First off, let's talk about the most common symptom: the slow engine crank. If you turn the key in the ignition and your engine cranks slowly, it could be a sign that your battery is losing its charge. This might sound like burr 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 click instead of the usual quick vroom. It's like your car is struggling to wake up in the morning, just like many of us before our first cup of coffee. Another subtle sign is dimming headlights. If you notice that your headlights are not as bright as they used to be, especially when you start the car or while idling, it's a clue that your battery might be on its last legs. This happens because the battery isn't providing enough power to all the electrical components. Speaking of electrical components, if you find that your car's electronics are acting weird, that's another red flag. This could mean your power windows are moving slower, your radio is cutting in and out, or your dashboard lights are flickering. These quirks are often overlooked, but they can indicate that your battery is struggling to supply adequate power. Here's a lesser-known symptom: the smell of rotten eggs. I know it sounds odd, but a failing battery can sometimes emit a sulfurous odor. This happens when the battery is leaking gas, which is a sign of internal damage. If you catch a whiff of this smell under your hood, it's time to get your battery checked out pronto.